All right, just back on the ground after a maiden flight with the Twin Otter on floats, and I have to say that is impressive. It takes a little bit longer to take off on the floats than it does on the landing gear. A little bit more drag, understandable. But otherwise, yeah, it gets up and goes pretty well. I used one notch of flaps, takeoff flaps on that. Worked remarkably well. Well balanced in the air. Just needed a few clicks of down elevator, actually up elevator, sorry, my bad, up elevator, just to help bring the airplane back to level with the floats on it. But otherwise, man, it went remarkably well in the air. It looks the best, I think, with the floats versus the landing gear. Landing, no problem at all. Did the full flaps, touched down right on the water, and taxied right up to the edge. So. Was able to pick that up just without any problems. So no issues at all with the rudder on that isn't spring loaded like it is on the timber, and I thought that was going to be a concern, but it turns out not an issue at all in the water and getting up on the grass. That's kind of where I was worried about that at. No issues at all. Was able to put it down in the water, taxied up on the grass, no problems at all. But overall, fantastic float plane. Like I've pointed out before, the Twin Otter is a gem of an airplane. It just looks stunning in the air. It's easy to fly. It's easy to transport. It's at a very attractive price point. It includes floats, flies on 2200. What can you say? The plane is an absolute winner. Did I mention, it's got nav lights too. So yeah, it's a winner. Definitely one to keep an eye on. You know, if you're looking for a fun summer plane, one that you can toss in the car, go up to a cottage, fly off the water, do something like that, the Twin Otter definitely needs to be something you put on your list. So it's easier to transport than the timber because a little bit smaller size, and yeah, I love it. So unfortunately, this one I got to give back to my buddy, but I think I'm going to give him back one heck of an awesome looking airplane. So he'll be very happy with it. So if you guys got any questions, by all means, leave them in the comments.